Welcome back to our training on homogenizers. In this video, we will cover the maintenance of the drive within the rotating compartment of the homogenizer. The drive of a homogenizer is responsible for transmitting power from the motor to the rest of the machine. This starts at the motor and runs through to the various transmission components. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure efficient operation. Regularly check the alignment of the drive shaft. A well-aligned shaft minimizes vibrations and extends the lifespan of the bearings. Use an alignment tool to confirm the correct position. Our homogenizers use an oil lubrication system with a separate electric pump that lubricates all bearings under pressure. This system ensures constant oil pressure, which is essential for the durability of the bearings and the drive mechanisms. Oil pressure should be around 4 bar for our machines. It is important to regularly check the oil level and change the oil on time according to the maintenance schedule. Also check for any potential leaks in the lubrication system. Also check the V-belts between the motor and the drive shaft. Worn V-belts must be replaced immediately to prevent damage to other components. In summary, performing regular, thorough maintenance on the drive unit, carefully checking the oil lubrication system, and inspecting the V-belts for wear are essential steps to ensure the long-term reliability and operational efficiency of your homogenizer. We truly appreciate your attention to these critical procedures, and we look forward to seeing you in our next training video.